In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money on Sendwave. First, open your Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and that the app is updated so everything runs smoothly and securely. Log in with your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your home base where you can start a transfer and see recent activity. From the dashboard, you're ready to send. Tap the recipient you want to pay. If it's your first time sending to this person, the app will guide you to add their details. Next, choose how the recipient will receive the money. Select bank transfer so the funds go straight to their bank account, which is typically fast and convenient. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank records to prevent any verification issues. Then type in their mobile number, retype the same number to confirm it. This simple double check helps avoid delays that can come from a single mistyped digit. When everything looks accurate, tap Save to store the recipient information. Now tap Continue to send. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to pay for the transfer. Select the option to add a payment method, then choose debit or credit card. Carefully enter your card details. For your security, use a card that belongs to you, and avoid sharing any sensitive card information with anyone. When asked, enter your billing address, including your zip code, city, and state. Make sure this matches what your bank has on file, as mismatches can cause the payment to be declined. Tap Continue when you're done. You'll now see your available payment methods. Choose the card you just added, then tap Continue to send. Before you finalize, review the transfer summary. Check the recipient's name, the amount you're sending, any fees, the exchange rate if you're sending internationally, and the estimated delivery time. If something isn't correct, go back and fix it now to avoid issues later. When everything looks perfect, tap Confirm Transfer. You should see a confirmation message, and you may receive a digital receipt. You can track the progress of your transfer from the dashboard and view past transfers whenever you need. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double check names and numbers, ensure your card has enough funds, and keep the app updated. If your bank asks for a quick verification during payment, that's normal and helps keep your account secure. And that's it. Your money is on its way with Sendwave.